Hey, welcome to Family Friendly Bushcraft. These videos are all about giving my kids some memories and giving them skills going forward so they can enjoy the outdoors. I'd appreciate it very much if you could subscribe, like, maybe make a comment, give us any ideas for any content you may want to see, and we'll do our best to provide that at a later date in a later video. Now I'm just going to hang on for just a second while you hit those buttons and hit that bell for the notifications, and we'll see you on the other side. Okay then, so we've taken 3.5 minutes. It's just off the boil at the moment, just about to come on to a full-on boil. it's a full-on boil now, about 20 seconds afterwards. Okay. What are you doing, mate?
I'm staying over here
because of the smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. So boys, right, this metal surround, this metal stand is going to be hot because it's been had the spirit stove around it, so I'm going to flip that out the way, okay? Allow that to cool down for a second. Now we've got the two lids. Got the one for snuffing it, which has got the German on for caution hot, it says Achtung, Heb, okay? And the one for transporting that's got the rubber O-ring. So we take the one without the rubber parts and pop it over the stove itself, and just give it a second because we've taken that oxygen away now, and that's going to allow the flame to go out. Should be ready. Perfect, yeah, nice and cool. Now that's still warm, quite hot in fact, so we're not going to put it away just yet. We're going to just leave it, let everything cool down nicely, and just have the lids there ready to go on it, ready to transport. These are fairly cool already, although you can still feel the bad flame round it. So they can just go together and go inside the wee stuff bag. Okay boys, so now it's cooled down a bit. So we've got all our windscreen in the bag. Now this is the one for putting it out, isn't it? As we can feel that's cooled down. Feel? Yeah? Happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've still got spirit left in there and we're not going to waste it, are we?
Nope.
So we want to put the lid on the screw thread, tighten it down nice and hand tight. See there, you can turn it upside down and we're not losing any of the fluid. The other cap goes on top, back in the bag, and pull on the drawer.
I'm ready for next time.
And ready for next time, ideal. I'd say it's not the most stable of frames, and I'd probably prefer to use bits of wood or bits of rock out in the bush, but you know, it's something, it's not bad. What we're using for today's video, this Trangia cook set, comes in this nice little black drawstring bag. It comes with its own windshield. It's really easy to use but quite a flimsy bit of kit. I can't say I'm a fan myself, and it has collapsed once during the making of the video, but perhaps that's a lot better on a flat surface than on the quite lumpy ground we've got. The stove itself, when we take it out of the bag, has the slip-on cap. This is the one that you can use for putting it out. Some people put it on the stove itself and just use that, swinging it round to put it out. I don't like doing that because you've got the potential then for that getting hot and causing burns, especially working with kids. And then we've got the screw-on cap, just hand tight, nice little O-ring there, and it stops the spirit leaking out. We're using meths in this today. On again, nice and hand tight, managing not to pour it all over Connor, and put it all back together, goes straight back in the bag. There you go, Connor. Perfect, mate, thank you.